I hate making UI in Unity, so when there are plugins that help make that process easier, I will gladly use it. This is UI Rounded Corners from Kir Evdokimov. It does exactly what it says. Select your UI object, in this case an image, click Add Component, type in image with rounded corners, and boom! Now your image has curved corners. You can also adjust how rounded your corners are by adjusting this variable. Alternatively, you can also choose to add image with independent rounded corners to adjust every corner individually. It also works for buttons, but you need to remove the sprite from the image component first so that the rounded corners can work properly. You can resize the UI all you want, but the corners will remain curved no matter what. So you no longer need to create individual sprites for all your buttons. The best part? This plugin uses MIT license, which should mean that it's free to use in commercial projects. And apparently you don't even need to credit the author. Very cool. Hashtag not legal advice. To get this plugin, you can download it from the original GitHub page with the link in the description, or you can download it from my fork repository. Click on the latest release, scroll down, and click on the Unity package file. As a Unity package file, you can just drag it into your project windows, select all, and click import. Now, before anyone started accusing me of stealing this plugin from the creator, I need to explain what forking is. Forking is the act of duplicating the original project so you can modify it to your own needs. It's called a fork because, just like a fork, it starts out with a single end, but then branches out into multiple ends. And this is actually very useful for open source development, where every contributor can make their own different modifications in their own fork projects, and then combine it into the main project. For example, in my fork project, I added some quality of life changes to this plugin. As of the time of recording this video, I am currently submitting a pull request to the original project. If it's approved, then my changes will be applied to the original project as well. And that's the beauty of how open source development works. Each one of us make a small contributions one at a time to make a better product for everyone else to use. Okay, open source is cool and all, but how does this plugin work exactly? How does it make that rounded corner? If we take a look at the material generated by this plugin and tweak its shader value, it is actually 5 objects, 1 diamond in the middle, and 4 circles at each corners. The shader has 3 values. R controls the radius of each circle. Half size controls the size of all elements. And rect2 props control the position and scale of the diamond in the middle. The script we added as a component earlier does the calculation to determine the right value for these 3 variables, so it looks like a rounded corner. That's actually a very clever approach. As always, this video is made possible by my patrons, especially Javi for being the Master Role patron. If you'd like to support me on making these free tutorials for Unity and Whereto, then consider becoming a patron to get early access to my videos, as well as testing new tools I've made early in the future. Like and subscribe if this video helps you, and with that, I think I'll see you guys later. Goodbye.